Now we'll discuss some uh, arithmetic operations in the Python. Okay, this is my Jupyter notebook. In this, first we write about the addition. For example, I want to read print 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. So we know 2 plus 5 how much? 7. That output control enter. You got 7. Check it here. Okay. Next, subtraction. Suppose we need subtraction. Print. Sorry. Print some 3 minus 8. Okay. Select this line. Okay. Control enter. 3 minus 8 minus 5. You got output. Next, print. If I want some 5 twos, so 5 2. Okay. Select this line. Now control enter. 5 twos are 10. Division operation. Print. I need suppose 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. So now control enter. So 5 by 2 value how much? 3.5. Okay. When you are writing block of code, in the code you want to be print anything output, then you have to use a print function. So in the Jupyter notebook, without using print function also we can get the output. That is called as a console. Okay, which is called as a command console. Without print function also in this Jupyter notebook we will get the output. For example, 100, simply 100 plus 2. Okay, so 100 plus 2 how much? Just you write this line and control enter. 100 plus how much? 102. You got your output. So this is called as a console, command console. Like, okay, when you're writing block of code, you want to be print something in the hundreds of lines. You are developing some program project. In that, you have to use this print function to get any required output. Just you have to check simply in your Jupyter notebook what is addition, what is the subtraction. You can directly write 100 plus 200 plus 300 minus 5, whatever you want you can write. Here you will get like output, so which is called as a command console. Okay, 400 minus 50. Okay, how much its value you need? Control enter. 100 minus 50, how much? 50. Okay, like you will get the answer. Okay, this is about the arithmetic operation, additions, subtraction, multiplication, division. We'll see some more things. So now, for example, you need 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, like that. So 5 double star. When you need cube in power, so you have to use the double star. Select the line. So now, control enter. 5 cube how much? 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So if you want any other output, for example, you need 2 power 8. Okay, 2 double star 8. Okay, select this line, control enter. So 256, 2 power 8. So to get anything power, you have to take 2 stars. Okay, this is about the uh, powers. Next, order of the operation. That means Python, which operation first it will give the preference. For example, take this one, 2 plus 10 into, asterisk means into. You call this star symbol as asterisk also. In the mathematical operation is into. 2 plus 10 into 10 plus 3. So now the question is, first Python, which operator it will give the preference, addition or multiplication? Okay. For example, if we give preference for addition, what will get 2 plus 10, 12. Okay, 2 plus 10, 12, like that. So, but Python, what it will do means first it will give the preference for the multiplication, then it will do for the addition. So, when you come to the first preference multiplication, so 10 into 10, 100, 100 plus 2, 102, 102 plus 3, 103. Okay, so that means Python give the first preference to the multiplication, addition, multiplication. First it gives you the preference for multiplication. Okay, so if you want to check this value, how much you have to get? Python giving preference to multiplication first. So 10 into 10, 100, 100 plus 2, 102, 102 plus 3, 105 you have to get. Now we'll check it. Select this line, control, enter. You got 105. Okay, so this is about the how the uh, operators given preference. Operator means addition, multiplication, subtraction. Here I explained about the addition and multiplication. Next, next we'll come to the, if you want to customize operations. Customized operation means first you need the addition, then multiplication. At that time you put the brackets. So this is a customizer. Okay, that means when you put these brackets, for example, here what is it? 2 plus 10, 10 plus 3, same output. For example, listening, what I'm doing is, now the Python gives the first preference to multiplication. So what will get? 105. Execute, control, enter. What you got? 105. But I want my VT first to give the preference for addition. So at that time, what you have to do means you have to put the bracket for this one. Okay. Here, when you put the brackets, the it will give the first preference for now addition. That means first it will do the 10 plus 2. 2 plus 10 is a 12, 10 plus 3 is a 13, then it will be multiplied. That means in this case, when you put the brackets, it will give the first preference to the addition. If you want to check it, select this line, control, enter. So what you got its value? 156. Okay. 2 plus 10, 12, plus 10 plus 3, 13. 12 into 30, 156. Okay. This is about the preference of the operators. When you, which which operator you want to be need the first preference, you have to use for the brackets, or it is called as a parenthesis. Okay, it is called as a parenthesis. Now next, assigning some value to the variable. For example what I am doing is here a equal to 5. So we are assigning a to the variable value 5. Otherwise you take any other value, a equal to 10. Okay, so a is equal to 10. Now a is a one variable which is storing the value 10. Okay. Now execute this line. When you execute this line, 10 will be stored in the variable a. Okay. Control. Now a stores the value 10. Next what I'm doing is I need a plus a value. I need how much? A plus a. Select this line, a plus a. Control. Enter. How much? 20. So first equal to 10. Value stored. 10 is stored in a. Now, when you do a plus a, 10 plus 10, 20. Okay. This is a values assigning to the variables. Okay. Next. So, which is also called as an object. A equal to 10 means you have created one a object, or you call it as a variable. It is a simple. Next. Now what is happening is, listen it. A equal to what you got here? A equal to 10. A plus a, when you do its value 20. So we can reassign. Reassign means, for example, I'm changing the a value to 30. First I stored a variable 10. Okay. Now in the next execution I'm making a equal to 30. Now select this line. Wait a minute, execute this. Okay, now a value is stored in the a variable is stored the 30. If you want to check it, okay, execute a value. So what you got, a value 30. That means what you understood means, listen carefully. Initially assume, initially in the a variable I'm storing 10 value. Okay, then after some stage, after certain values, I'm again in reassigning equal to 30. That means a now freshly stored the value is a 30. So finally now your a value will be 30. Like that, at the starting you assign variable some value. In the latter cases or latter stages, you assign some other values is also possible in the Python.